How to create new partition with C drive. In this tutorial I will show you how to create new partition with C drive. First right-click this PC and click on Manage. Open Disk Management. Right-click that C drive partition and click on Shrink Volume. Wait for a minute. Type the space you want from C drive. Now right-click on newly created unlocated partition and click on New Simple Volume. Select a letter you want. Now your new partition was created. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.